Happy Sunday. It is Sonia of Junk Monkey Paint Company. Getting ready to go junkin'. We are all up here at the household. I gotta tell ya, this morning was pretty nice because our neighbor delivered late last night some homemade banana bread, and my sister cut into it and I heard her in the kitchen. She took the first cut and she was like, oh my gosh, there's chocolate chips in here. Like, how could this just get any better? So I'm so happy with the move. Everything has just been so awesome. The house, we're thrilled. So I always say there's something to be thankful for every single day. And so today I am thankful to wake up and know that I have great neighbors. How awesome is that? You want to see the banana bread? So this is what we've devoured so far this morning, me, Anna, and Matt. And I know when Riley wakes up, he's going to be all about it as well. Doesn't this look so good? Like, how did she get her banana bread to be so fluffy and so high? I can tell you, this is not the first time she's made this recipe. Oh, and it is so good. So we had coffee and banana bread this morning. Do you guys do anything special with your banana bread? Like sometimes I see people put, like, for example, walnuts, and maybe there's something else that you guys do. So right now we're getting ready to head out because there is a place that I've wanted to go see here in town. Oh my gosh, I like what I see already. Okay, what are their hours? Darn it.
We're open most days about 9 or 10, occasionally early as 7, but some days as late as 12 or 1. We're closed about 5:30 or 6, occasionally about 4.
Okay, so the spot I wanted to see, guys, this morning is not open. It is Sunday. We're not sure what day in particular these guys are open, so it might be just a drive-by, catch us and come in kind of deal.
Right.
But, you know, you get the idea. I have a feeling there could be some good finds in there.
Yeah, they
all right.
leave a lot of stuff outside, which kind of...
Yeah, I kind of like a few things I see outside. That worries you?
Yes.
What? Okay. There's a smiling kitty cat. How can a place like that be worrisome?
With the clamp holding his head on.
Oh my. What?
It's true.
What? Why is there a clamp on the kitty cat?
Obviously, he lost his head.
Okay, so off to plan 2. Where shall we go today? Where shall we go? So guys, this is definitely a change of scenery. The last spot we went to wasn't open, so we decided to drive towards Lake Erie. We were so close to Lake Erie and Anna's visiting, so we had to show her. It is a beautiful day here. How gorgeous is this? Oh my gosh. Still on the hunt when we leave here for some good junkin' shops. We'll see what we can find up here, but you're so close. We had to come check it out. Isn't this beautiful? Everybody is just out. And just take a minute to just listen for a second. Do you hear all that? Oh, it's so beautiful.
I love tree.
Oh, guys, I love coming near water. You guys know I grew up on an island, so when I get around water, oh, just listen to the sound. It's beautiful. Everybody's out fishing today. There's babies. Look at the babies. They're all fluffy.
它不整蒜，他们不整。你说的不是这个你拌牛的。哇！当然。我知道的。
Sonia checking in again. We found this really cool thrift store. It's called Finders Keepers. I'm already liking the outside of it. Check this out. Like, if that doesn't say, oh yes, well, we've got the sale sign, but come in, and all the junk in the books. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite kind of store. Right here. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Fun. Like, we hit on a good day as well because there was a sale inside. I gotta tell you, this place here, I got the card. It's called Finders Keepers of Erie right here. She told me that she has almost 1,000 consigners. Guys, I could have like rolled tape, got lots of footage forever. So what we're gonna do is come back here again because, you know, that's the whole thing with junkin, and you have so much stuff. And I was saying to her, like, you have something for everybody in here. And she's like, oh yeah. And that's what's fun, to go sort through other people's stuff. Anna, what'd you think of the place?
Oh, I thought it was amazing. There's pretty cool stuff in there.
Did you see stuff you wanted to take back to Canada with you?
Oh yeah, if I had room.
Yeah, right? You were limited, right?
Yes.
So I found some good stuff. Me and Anna will decorate with it. And she's like, what you got there? Because I got a big box in the back. So stay tuned. I will show you the haul that I got today. I got some really good stuff that I think will look great in the house. Got it on a budget. And like I said, hit on a day where there was just some super special Sunday sales, which is awesome. So how fun. Matt is looking up Texas Roadhouse on the phone right now. I think that that he's ready to go eat. I think I'm ready to go eat too. Yeah? All right, let's go eat. Let's go eat. Good junk, good food. It's It's all gonna be wonderful. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Check back daily for these daily videos. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Wasn't that store awesome? What'd you enjoy about this video today? Wasn't it even cool that I got a chance to take you guys to the park? Took you to the park with me, right? All in all, a great vlog. All right, I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.